So in this Discord tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to join a server here on the Discord application. So once you open up Discord, I want you to go to the bottom left and press on the home icon. Once you're on the home screen here, I want you to go to the top left area. Right below the plus, there is sort of those three little, it kind of looks like a pitchfork. Press on that. Now it'll say find study groups, clubs for your school. You can go ahead and either do that way if you want to join like a school server, or you can go to the top here and you can check the channels. You can go to the top, message friends, whatever the case may be. You can create your own server that way. So if you wanted to search up, whatever it may be. So if I wanted to go right here, create a server, or you can go to the bottom, press on join a server. You can then do the invite link right here, or you can join a student hub. So a bunch of different ways depending on the server that you're looking to join. But yeah, this is pretty much how you guys can do it. This is how to join a server on the Discord application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.